Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am in my small kitchen and I want to share with you how I decorate my kitchen for this Christmas 2023. I already have everything set up because I have visited from Puerto Rico. I have here my mother and my father-in-law and I want to give them a warm welcome. So stay with me to the end so you can get some ideas. Let's get started and enjoy the video. Woohoo! I'm gonna start with this corner right here. I have my rice cooker and I just have this stand snowflakes to put the hot pot. I got it at a thrift store for $1.99. I got this cake stand. In this cake stand I have a reindeer. It has smell scents on it, but you can also put lights on it. I have this velvet tree for $4.98 from Bell's Outlet, and on this jar I just put some wall ornaments, white, silver, and gold. Okay, I have this pot holder, spoon holder. Then I have right here another small cake stand with this Mary sign from Dollar General, $1. This tree, $1 also from Dollar General. And on this small pot I have my garlic. Okay, then I have this bowl with bowl ornaments. This is a set that I have from my neighbor. I have another pieces that matches in the coffee station. That cardboard tree that I DIY last year, and my nativity set that is near the Christmas tree in the living room. Here is my stove, and I got this spoon holder. This one is from Temu. Okay, then I have the other corner of the stove that I have this canisters with my knives. I have this sled that is from Walmart. I pay $5 for it. I have this plate that I just put a small reindeer with some bowl ornaments in a Dollar Tree. $1, $1.25 from Dollar Tree. And then I have this one. This one I find it last year in a thrift store, and I pay only $1 from it. So the only thing that I did is that I put some bowl ornaments on it. This tree is from Hobby Lobby, and I just put some glitter on it and a roller that says Joy. That also is from Hobby Lobby. This is how it looks. Right there is my video of the coffee station, so you can go and watch that video. I'm going to use this ribbon from Dollar Tree to cross out on the cabinets to make like a present wrap. I'm going to use double-sided transparent tape from Temu to hold, and that way I don't damage the cabinets. to use this ribbon from Dollar Tree to make a bow and paste it in the cross out section. Also, I will add some leftover decoration to it. Right here at the top, I just have those small ornaments. Both of these ones are from Walmart and they light up. This is from a picture frame, is a border from the picture frame, but I spray painted silver and I just DIY it. I also have a video about that. I make it very simple and that matches with the ribbon that I put on the cabinet doors. So in top of the refrigerator, I have, let me give you a closer look. I have this Let It Snow sign. This is from Dollar General and I pay $5 for it. Okay, and I just put a plate. This a clear plate, but it has a design, a Christmas design. I have a tray with some glasses over there, and this beautiful tree, I love it. I just buy it in a thrift store for only $3, and it was gold. And the only thing that I did, I just buy small bowl ornaments in Dollar Tree, and I just put them. Let me fix this. Okay, and I put silver and white because the tree already is gold. Then I have this small sledge. This I have it with me like 3 years ago, and I just put bowl ornaments, put this decoration here holding the reindeer. The reindeer is from Dollar Tree. Then I have the other corner that I have my Alexa right there. I have this.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Sorry, Alexa, I'm not talking to you. So I have another coffee maker because my husband prepared this one with a paper towel holder and a cake stand with this tree that I DIY'd this year, and you put a battery light inside it and it lights up. This one, this is a simple one. I don't remember, yeah, it is from Dollar Tree. And this Swam spoon holder that is from Shein. I got this new towels. It is $6.99. I don't know if they are from TJ Maxx or from Ross or from Burlington. I really don't remember. So last year I have this one that it was a package that brings like 5, and it was silver and white, so that's why this year I want some of them gold. It has 3, so I'm gonna put it right here on my stove. Joy to the world. This other one, I'm gonna put it right here under the sink. And because I have both of them in the corners, I have a silver, so I'm just gonna leave this one folded and put it here. Like this. Coffee station, and also in the microwave, the cabinet with the microwave, I have that tree that I also DIY it, and this one here also I DIY it. This year I have a simple centerpiece in my dining table. It's the only thing that I put this year. I don't put any plate because I have visitors here, and I just put these two snowflakes. I put them together to be like a runner, and put on top of it the centerpiece. This bowl, I used it last year also as a centerpiece, and I arranged them a different way. So I did this one this year, so you can go and watch that video. And near the dining table, I have the small bar table that I also DIY it, and I put this snowman is also a DIY that I did this year. On top of it, I have a small shelf with three Christmas tree from Dollar Tree.